Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Puma. So let me take you to their website, which is puma.com. Now, who doesn't know about Puma? You might be using the product as well, isn't it? But still, I'm going to talk a bit about Puma. So Puma is a multinational corporation that designs and manufactures athletic and casual footwear, apparel, and accessories. They offer a wide range of products, including sneakers, cleats, running shoes, training apparel, t-shirts, jacket, accessories, and much more. So you can come to their website and purchase to your heart desire. You could just explore all these products and buy anything that you like. But we are not here for that. Rather, we are here to get some money from Puma. Can you earn some money from them? Of course you can. We can join the affiliate program, and when we join the affiliate program, we can promote Puma to our followers, subscribers, then to our traffic, to users, to whatever kind of traffic that you have. And when you bring sales to Puma, you would be entitled to get commission from them. So the question is, how do you join the affiliate program of Puma? To join the affiliate program of Puma, let me take you to the website called cj.com. Now, why and what is CJ? So CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So in our case, we are affiliates and Puma is a brand. And whenever we want to join the affiliate program of many or different brands like Puma, we have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So here for Puma's case, we have to join the affiliate network of CJ. So to join the affiliate network of CJ as an affiliate, you can click on sign up and go through with the registration process. Now I know registration is complicated. There are a lot of things that you have to take care of. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with CJ. You can just follow the instructions from the video and that will help you in creating an account with CJ. And you will find the video link in the video description. Just follow the instructions and it should be fine. Now, let's say you created an account with CJ, an affiliate account. You can click on login, or let's say if you already have an account with them. In that case, just click on login, enter the credential, and you will be taken to the dashboard. Now, this is called Publisher Dashboard. Why Publisher? What is Publisher? In CJ Network, they call affiliates as Publisher. So these are those people who have websites, blog, or social media presence. Then they have brands. They call brands as advertisers. So don't get confused. So on this dashboard, you can interact with many brands out there, or in their terms, advertisers out there. You can apply to their program. You can start promoting them and start earning commission. But we will only be focusing on Puma. So to find the affiliate program of Puma, you can click on advertisers, and that will take you to this page. Over here on the left hand side, within advertisers keyword in here, just put your cursor and start typing in Puma. So when you do that, you will see different programs of Puma, and depending on your location or your traffic, you can select any of these. In our case, I'm going to select USA, then Puma UK, and Puma UAE, so that I can show you all example. You could even, select multiple, just start typing Puma and select one at a time, and you see it got selected. Then you can click on search. And when you do that, you would be see the affiliate program. So we got 1, 2, and 3 affiliate program. All 3 of them are of Puma. And to get more information, you can click on it and you get to see more information. So when I click on Puma US, I can see the name and I can say program highlights and all that. Similar to that, if I click on Puma UK, I can see information accordingly. So not just that, I can see the contact person as well. If I ever want to reach out to them, I can write an email to them. And then the commission structure, all this information I can say. And when I click on program terms, I can also see what I'm allowed to do and what I'm not allowed to do, like special instructions. So ensure before you apply to the affiliate program, you read through it and you understand it. Okay, so similar to that, we got Puma UAE as well. Now, one thing you can observe is a commission rate, because look at here, it says sell 10% for UAE and KSA program of Puma. For UK, it says 2%. And for Puma US, it says between 2 to 5%. So depending on the region, Puma is providing different commission rate. So depending on your location and of course your traffic, you can choose the regional program accordingly. In my case, I'm going to go with Puma UAE KSA. Why not? Because they're giving 10%, isn't it? So when I click here, over here, you can see the commission structure as well. So for voucher code, they're providing 3%. For cashback, 5 for comparison, 5. And for sneakers, they're providing 10%. So it's different categories. They're providing different commission, right? So let's say I have read it all. I even went to the program terms. I read it all and I'm kind of fine with it. In that case, to apply to the affiliate program, you can also read it. And when you're fine with it, just click on apply to the program button in here and it will open up a screen and will show you this advertiser approves publisher manually. Your application status will be set to pending application and the advertiser will contact you if approved. So when you click then apply to program, your application to the brand would go. They will review your information that you must have given while creating an affiliate account with CJ. And if they like your online presence and if they want you to be part of the affiliate program, they will give you the permission, they will approve you. So the question is how much time they can take. They can take anywhere between like 2 days to 2 weeks of time. So it's better to give them this much time because they must be getting application from many affiliates out there, isn't it? So let's say you waited long enough, you got the approval. Now what? When you get the approval, you'll be notified via an email. You will also be able to see notification over here on the top right hand side. And once you got the approval, you can use link section and start generating your own tracking links. Now, why tracking links? When you get the approval, you can't just take any link from their website and promote them. No, that's not how it works. To promote them, you must be using tracking links, which are kind of which are kind of unique to you only. So to generate tracking links, you can go to links and use link tools, create your own tracking link, and start promoting them. And when you promote them, can you promote them on social media? Let's say you got promoted, you got approved for a website or blog, but you also have Facebook account or Instagram account. Can you promote them? Now this depends on the terms. When let's say for example, if I go to program Puma UK, I can go to program terms, I can read through it. So depending on the region, you can read through the terms and see, if they have anything written like not allowed on social media. If it's returned, then you're not allowed to do that. If it's not returned, then I guess it's fine to promote them on social media. You also have an option to always reach out to them and ask just to confirm. That's totally up to you. Now, let's say you started promoting them and you started generating commission. Where will you see that? So for that, you can go to reports, you can run the reports and see the performance. Now, how about the payment of the commission that you have been generating? So all the commission that you'll be generating, Puma will pay that commission to CJ and CJ will issue that commission to you. So for that, ensure you have set up the payment method on CJ's account. For setting a payment method, you can go to accounts, you can go to administrative settings, and either you can set up direct deposit as a payment method or Pioneer. It's totally up to you. And once you've set up the payment method, just one thing to keep in mind, they will only be able to issue the payment to you once you have accumulated at least $50. So until then, all the commission that you will be generating will sit on your CJ account and you will be able to see on the top right hand side. So this is how you can find the affiliate program of Puma. You can apply to them, you can get the approval, start promoting them, start generating commission and get a commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you while applying to the affiliate program of Puma. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.